Hi, excuse me, are you Mike?
Yes, I am. Can I help you?
I'm your neighbor from downstairs.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I wanted to talk about something.
Sure, what's the matter?
Lately, there's been a lot of noise at night.
Oh, really? I'm so sorry. What kind of noise?
Loud music, heavy footsteps, sometimes even past midnight.
Oh, no, I didn't realize it was that loud.
It's been hard to sleep. I get up early for work.
I understand. I'll make sure to lower the volume.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. I'll also let my roommates know.
Great. I didn't want to cause trouble. Just needed some quiet.
Totally understand. Thanks for coming to talk nicely.
Thank you for listening. Have a good night.
You too, John. Sleep well tonight.
Thanks. I know apartments are not perfect for sound.
True. If it ever gets noisy again, just let me know.
Will do. I'm glad we could talk about it.